So let's just do a quick unboxing of this S10e, but a little review of it. It's pretty nice. This one is just the base model. Take a look at it. I got the ceramic white. This is the first base model that comes with dual cameras, which is nice. Let's peel this off and take a look at that. The S10e doesn't have the edge anymore, but it still looks pretty good. Covers it pretty far. So there's the SIM card spot. It's got a speaker there. It's got one front camera versus the two. And it's got the headphone jack still, which is nice. And here you got the basic USB adapter, the headphones. I can't wait till they send a wireless charger with these things. It'll be the future. But let's turn it on and let's get this thing going. So I get the base model because I'm with T-Mobile and I just upgrade every year. So basically I just pay like $260 a year to upgrade my phone all the time. So this is nice that it comes with a dual camera. I'm really excited about that in the front. I'll try that here real quick. So you can see I'm with T-Mobile. Yeah, so that looks really nice. That white, I really like this white color. Here a little bit.
Let's look at the terms and conditions. Once you read and agree, you can restore the settings.
So it sounds great.
It will not be difficult.
The speaker on it sounds great.
All right, we're all set.
So this is the new operating system. These just came out on the S9, so it's really no different than the S9 operating system was at all. It's the exact same as if you just updated your S9. It's the exact same operating system. It's pretty fast too, actually. Okay, so one thing this thing did come with that I'm really interested in is this new fingerprint scanner that they got in here. So let's open this back up and see how well that works. Scan your fingerprint. So let's see how well this works, because this would be so much better. Whew, alright, that took a minute. Now, let's see how good it is though. Alright, let's see. Oh, look at that. Seamless. That's nice. That's really cool. So that's an excellent feature that this phone has. So, I mean, honestly, if you're going to jump and it's like it's an upgrade, it's a no-brainer. I really like it. The phone feels great. This unlock feature is just like just a simple feature like that, you know, sold, right? Seriously, it's so nice and easy to access your phone, and there you go. So that's one of the coolest features besides the dual cameras on this thing. It's a fast, good-looking phone, guys. So let's look at this camera here really quick. Let's see if you can still do that double click. Yeah. So you got one option, and then you got the wide option. So that's kind of cool. So you got the up close option and then the wide option. It really makes a huge difference. Look at that. Food, panorama, pro, live focus, photo, video. You got both options on the camera for the video. Slow motion, super slow motion, and hyperlapse. And it's only got the front facing camera. I'm going to do a camera comparison of the S10e to the S9. So make sure you check that video out if you are considering upgrading. You know, I definitely think the dual cameras in the front on such a basic upgrade phone, especially if you jump or do anything like that, it's just a no-brainer. So yeah, guys, it's a really good phone. It's really smooth. Looks nice. The display is really, really crisp. I'm looking at my S9, which I'm recording this on right now, and this S10e is definitely a more vibrant screen compared to the S9. So it's just a good looking phone. Thanks. Please subscribe.